Anatomy of femur bone. The femur is your thigh bone. It's the longest, strongest bone in your body. It's a critical part of your ability to stand and move. Your femur also supports lots of important muscles, tendons, ligaments. Anatomically, it is divided into three parts: proximal end body or shaft and diatal end. Proximal end or upper part of the bone. Bony landmarks are head, greater trochanter, neck, gluteal tuberosity, lesser trochanter, intertrochanteric line, pectineal line, and intertrochanteric crest. Body or shaft. Bony landmarks are pectineal line and linea aspera. Distal end or lower part. Bony landmarks are medial condyle, lateral condyle, medial epicondyle, lateral epicondyle, adductor, tubercle, intercondylar foci, patellar surface, popliteal surface, medial supracondylar line. Lateral supracondylar line, or intercondylar line. Articulation of femur. Proximally, it articulates with acetabulum of the pelvic bone to form hip joint. Distally with the tibia and fibula to form knee joint. Thanks for watching.